everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me again. Today I'm going to show you how to make DIY friendship bracelets. These are just a few bracelets I've made. You can make them for yourself, you can make them as gifts. It's a fun way to express yourself creatively. I really enjoy doing it. Now this is my aventuring bracelet. It was a bit big, so I used the extra stones or beads, basically stones, and made another bracelet out of it. Little emoji bracelet, I love it, it's so cute. That's my bracelet as well, I made it for myself. That as well, love bracelet. You can make them like a combination of two bracelets in one, and you basically just put it on and then sort of twist it and put it on again, so you have two designs in one bracelet. I made these two bracelets to be worn together because I think they're quite cute. You can wear them separately, but it's just what I had in mind. This bracelet is really cute. You can see the white sort of beads, and the other beads have actually like angels on them. I will show them to you later on in the video because I will be making a bracelet quite similar to that. These are still a few examples of bracelets I made. Okay, now we're moving on to bracelets that my sister Nash made. I basically use her beads and strings and elastics and everything to make bracelets because for her it's like a passion and her business, and I just do it sort of as a hobby. Especially with lockdown and quarantine, this corona, it's much better to sort of stay home and find creative ways to pass your time. So this is a way I actually like passing my time, staying home, thinking of new ideas, new designs. It's quite fun, guys. I do recommend you trying it out. And this bracelet is actually made by me. I got inspiration from it, and that's how I made this sort of double bracelet, as you can see. Okay guys, now we're going to move on to the chokers. Nash does make really cute chokers. I bought a few from her to sort of support her. I really love her designs, her ideas. They're so cute. Oh, I really love when Nash makes bracelets with these sort of beads. They don't glow in the dark, but they do have this glow to them, like you can see. I love them. I really love them. And here are some of the rings that Nash has made. I haven't made rings or chokers, people. I stopped at bracelets and anklets, which are basically the same thing. But yeah, here are the rings. Okay guys, anyways, mini haul. Let's go back to the bracelet that I was making. I just want to show you how easy and fun it is and how you can express yourself creatively. Okay, what I will advise you to do is sort of have a color scheme in mind for your design and then just sort of go with it. You can change it, remove all the beads and put the design you want, so don't feel constricted or sort of stuck with the design you chose. Just do what you feel is right and what you actually think looks nice to you. I did want this bracelet to have more like ocean vibes with a turtle, and so I decided to use blue, different shades of blue and a bit of white, and I love how it's looking. When you're done with making the bracelet, you're going to tie it into a really tight knot, and you should pre-measure it on the wrist that you want it to be on. I'm sorry I didn't show that to you before. I'm sort of used to my wrist size now. I know what size will fit me, so I put a bit of clear nail polish just at the knot to keep it sort of secure, and then I'm going to cut off the excess. And that is a final result, people. Just look at how cute it is, how simple it was to make. You can see it's a bit bigger for my wrist, but I was making this for my sister. And this is her collection. She does change up the beads and everything, and she has a few of these different collections of beads, but that's all good. Better for me. I did try to sort of focus. This bead has a cute angel on it. It's really cute. I tried so hard to focus, like you can see, but it's not easy. It's not easy. And that's a bead I used on my bracelet. And I don't know if I mentioned it before, but the green bracelet in the middle is aventurine stone or crystal. I'm not sure which one it is, both. Yeah, I'm into crystals quite a bit. I'm trying to learn them. I think they're interesting, so aventurine is the first bracelet I got, like with a stone. The rest are rings. I will show them to you in another video. Now back to the bracelet making. This is my second bracelet, and guys, it's really fun. Trust me, you sort of get different beads, think of the design, and just go with the flow. Just go with it, see what happens. A little fun fact why I decided to make this video is because one time I was really mad at someone, but I just got the bracelet making kit, sat down and went ham making these bracelets, and I used really tiny beads. I was making anklets which had like 3 layers, sort of 3 layers of the tiny beads, and I made like 2 of them non-stop, and I kid you not, I felt relaxed after. So after that, I sort of do not take this for granted. And we're all done. This is the final result, my second bracelet. It's really cute as well. I tried to make it a bit different with the little tiny beads. Let's move on to the next one, people. So for the next bracelet, I am going to be using one of my previous designs as inspiration and sort of mimic it. Don't forget to have a snack. You know, it's supposed to be something to help you relax. It's not supposed to be stressful or strenuous. It's sort of like when you do a drawing to relax, like art therapy or anything else. Do check out my art therapy videos, guys. It's just showing you when I'm sort of stressed, I do like to draw, and I won't draw with anything in mind. I'll just sort of doodle and let the pencil take me, and then just go from there. And I love to see what my mind comes up with. So if you can, do check out my videos. Okay, I absolutely love these emoji bracelets. They have different expressions on them. I just love incorporating them in my designs. I just feel like they make it much more cuter and expressive, so I do tend to use them quite a lot. And as you can see, I'm sort of mimicking the design. So where the emojis are going, I'm putting the same number, similar design, just with a bit of, a difference. I'm using pink instead of a black beads. Yeah, I think it's going to be really cute. I'm making them for my friends and one for my sister, so I hope they like them. And another thing is, when you are mimicking a design and use the same number of beads, you are going to be quite sure and certain that they'll be the same sizes, so the same fitting on the wrist. That's a plus. Okay guys, that's the third bracelet done. Look at how cute it is, and you can see like the difference in the way it feels, the colors. The pink pops differently from the green. It's really cute. It's a bit bigger because I did make it for my sister. Now let's move on to the next bracelet. And my sister does have these cute charms that I'm just incorporating in the bracelet. It makes it look a bit more unique, more special. Yeah. Okay guys, that's another bracelet done and dusted. This is for me, so it's a perfect fit. Just look at how cute it is, quite colorful. I love it. So that's it for this video, and you can see it was a fun session, bracelet making sessions. I made these 4 different and unique styles of bracelets, and I really enjoyed myself. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as well, and it inspires you to do your own bracelets at home for yourself, for your family. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you so much for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Love, BB. Okay guys, before I go, I have to show you these really cute bags that my sister Nash made. Look at them. They're quite small but nice for like a party, a wedding, occasion sort of. Just look at how cute they are. She literally handmade them, and I think they're absolutely beautiful. So if you want to go a bit further ahead with your bead making, you could try something like this. Let me know how it goes in the comments. Yeah guys, thanks a lot for joining me. Bye.